Service in Paducah has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for western Union County, Illinois, southwestern Jackson County, Illinois, northeastern Bollinger County, Missouri, southeastern Perry County, Missouri, Cape Girardeau County, Missouri, until 6 p.m. At 5:11 p.m., severe thunderstorms were located along a line extending from 6 miles south of Altenburg to near Daisy to 6 miles west of Millersville to near Marble Hill, moving east at 35 miles per hour. Expected hazards include 60 miles per hour wind gusts and penny-size hail. This is a radar-indicated threat. The following impacts are expected. Expect damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Locations impacted include Cape Girardeau, Jackson, Marble Hill, Bollinger Mill State Historic Site, Trail of Tears State Park, Delta, Gordonville, Dutchtown, Millersville, Leopold, Burfordville, Ware, Daisy, Alto Pass, Oak Ridge, Sedgwickville, Whitewater, Allenville, Pocahontas, and Old Appleton. This includes Interstate 55 between mile markers 95 and 119. Repeating, a severe thunderstorm warning has been issued until 6 p.m. for the following counties in Illinois, Jackson and Union, and the following counties in Missouri, Bollinger, Cape Girardeau, and Perry.